Hello friends, welcome to Kito's Sewing Garden. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make alterations for your kameez. Here I have a green kameez which is oversized. I have with me another kameez of the same person which fits her properly. I'm going to take measurements from that kameez and copy it exactly on this green kameez. First I'm going to measure the arm and then chest and then waist and then hip. Once I finish marking, then I'm going to connect the dots and mark with the chalk. Now measure the distance between the armpit and the point where the slit starts. Generally it is about 16 inches or 15 inches. Mark an X over there so that you can clearly see when you are sewing. These stitches at the side need to be removed so that the point where the slit starts will have a proper finishing. If you want the lower part of the kameez to be wide and broad, then you do not have to do this. It is an extra work, but it makes it look perfect. Reducing the width of this lower part of kameez will make it look thinner and slimmer. After you finish removing the stitches, you can press iron a little bit and mark where you want to cut it, keeping the seam allowance in mind. Fold the kameez vertically just to make sure that the marking is done exactly the same way on both the sides. Now you can cut off the extra fabric and also cut like you see here. These V-shaped cuttings help the kameez to take the shape of curvy body when you turn it inside out.